I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to dispute a charge on the PNC online app, follow these steps to get it sorted out quickly. Step 1. Open the PNC online app. Launch the app on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, go to the Accounts tab and select the account where the charge appears. Then, find the Transactions section. Step 3. Select the charge. Scroll through your transactions to locate the charge you want to dispute. Tap on it to view more details. Step 4. Initiate dispute. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Note, if you don't see the dispute option, make sure the transaction is not older than 60 days. Step 5. Provide details. Follow the prompts to provide details about why you are disputing the charge. Be as specific as possible to help expedite the process. Once you've completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your dispute. Good luck, and I hope this helps you resolve any issues.